Today I just received my pair of Jordan 1 Low black toe. This one came straight from Nike. You already know that I have another pair that I got from Foot Locker. I have them right here. I'm going to show you this pair as well. But today, what I'm going to do, as you already saw in the title, is a how to lace my Jordan 1 Low black toe. There's some things I want to talk about these shoes that I'm going to be talking during the video. But pay attention to the way I lace these shoes because, yeah, you want to know about these. These shoes come on lace, as you can see. This shoe comes on lace, just like this. This is a beautiful shoe, but they come on lace, pre-set up with the red laces, as you can see, red laces on this shoe. I'm gonna use a different color laces because yeah, because I feel so, and I think the laces that I'm gonna use look dope on this one. They comes also with an extra set of laces in black. What the hell is this? Yeah, they come with an extra set of laces in black, but I ain't gonna use the black either. You know, these are the basic one. These are the laces that the shoe comes with. I'm gonna use a different one. Excuse me. I'm gonna use this sail laces, and I'm also gonna show you some different color laces and different lace style, so you can decide which one you like the most. Okay, I'm gonna be giving you information about these shoes, so make sure to subscribe if you appreciate the content, because it's not easy to make this video, okay? But I'm gonna do it for you because I know you want to learn how to put some swag on these shoes. You know, the shoe already have a lot of swag, but you want to put some more swag in the shoe, and that's what we're gonna do today, okay? I like all lace options for these. The red ones look super dope. I'm gonna show you how they look with the red ones. The black one looks also dope, and the cream laces, I also have a cream cell laces that I'm gonna show you on this video. So this will be like a how to lace and a lace swap combined. So let's go with this. The first that I'm gonna do is remove the red laces that the shoe comes with, because like I already said, I'm not gonna use the red laces that the shoe comes with, even though red laces pop really nicely, but I'm not gonna use these laces. So yeah, let me take them out. Oh my god, I have a struggle here. Hold on, give me a moment. Okay, everything good. Red laces out of here. Let's go with the sail laces. These are some light sail laces. I think they look good, and I think they will look good on these shoes. Let me adjust the camera a little better for a better angle. Okay, hold on. Yeah, right there is gonna work better for this video. Cool. First, you're gonna do, make sure the laces are the same lane. You don't want one side larger than the other, okay? So when you're here, make sure that one is not larger than the other, and then grab it together and pull it up like that. Fix it here because you don't want it to look, you know, twist. That's it. Right here, I'll make sure that they are both on the same side. So cool. Then what you're gonna do is put the laces through here, and just pay attention what I'm gonna do, because there's some details about this shoe that I want to tell you. It's not that I need, it's that I want to. This shoe, even though it has a OG colorway, this shoe is not an OG shoe. I already posted this on Instagram, and I think I made a post on the community section of the YouTube channel. But let me tell you on the video, this shoe, even though it has a OG colorway and the OG cut of the Jordan 1 Low, this one is not a real OG shoe. Why? You're probably asking why. It's simple, because this is the first Jordan 1 Low black toe. There was not a original Jordan 1 Low black toe when the Jordan 1 Low was created. We had the Chicago's, the Bread. I don't remember the others. I think there was a neutral gray as well. But there was not a black toe OG low. That's why, even though this one has the OG cut and a OG colorway, this is not a OG shoe. This one is a OG shoe, the Jordan 1 High. it's a OG shoe because this was the original. That was not a low version of this. But yeah, when you get to this point right here, you see when you're on the fourth hole, what you're gonna do is put the laces through this cut here that we have on the tongue. You see it here? Cool. So yeah, this is the hardest part of putting the laces, but it's not that hard, you know. It's just the hardest. It's not that hard. So yeah, that's what you're gonna do. And with the other one, remember, make sure that the laces are not twisted. You don't want your laces to look like this. You want the laces to look flat and clean. And with the other one, you're gonna do the same. With the second one, it's easier than with the first one because you already had that cut a little bit more open. But it's the same process. It's the same process. Putting the laces on shoes, it's not hard. It's harder on camera because I gotta be like, you know, being careful with the camera, not moving in or something like that. But just lacing the shoes, it's not hard. It's pretty simple actually. So when you get to this one right here, that could be pretty much the last one, what I like to do is put them right here. That's the way I'm gonna wear these all the way through the last hole on the shoe, so they look like this with the tips floating like that. Yo, this looks really good with the cell laces. These looks really good. So yeah, you already saw the process. This is how I'm gonna wear my personal pair with the cell laces because I think they look really fire with the cell laces. Now there's some other ways that you can lace your shoes. Like, let me show you my other pair because I already told you I got multiple pairs from this one. I got 3 pairs. Let me show you how they look with the red laces. Look at that right there. I tied them right here. Classic style. You can use it like that as well. And look how they look with the red laces. I told you they pop really nicely with the red laces. And there's another way that you can lace your shoes. We got this, the floating one, the classic one, and look at that. This cream laces look also good. This is not cell, this is a cream laces. Look at them right there. You see, this is cell, this is cream. You see, this one is stronger, a stronger color than this one is. But on this one, I put the laces inside. I didn't take it to the last hole. I just leave it right there. It looks really good like that. I also like wearing my shoes like this. Yeah, look at that. That's another lace style that I like to use. And for the final one, it's the same. Just a larger laces. Like, yeah, you can see it here. I have the classic style, just larger laces. That's why they look like this. And this is how they look with the black laces. This pair right here is the one that I have with better leather. All 3 of these got different materials. It's crazy. Nike needs to fix their quality control. So this is how they look with different color laces. This is how they look with cell laces, red laces, cream laces, and black laces. And this is how they come brand new with an extra set of laces right there. Pretty dope shoe if you ask me. I love having these. The only thing that can improve these shoes to make it look better will be the big swoosh that this one don't have. The true OG comes with a bigger swoosh. Let me show you. I have an OG pair. Probably the best OG pair of Jordan 1 Low. The Chicago. Look at them right here. You see how big the swoosh is? I know you love these. I love it as well. But you can see that the swoosh is way bigger on this one than on this one. This is a true OG cut. On the newest one, they have a smaller swoosh. But Nike, please, give us this swoosh again. Can you imagine this one with this swoosh? Just look at that right there. Yeah. That big swoosh is fire. But yeah, this is how I lace my shoes. If you enjoy the content, hit the thumbs up, because you're going to help me a lot with the YouTube algorithm, and that's totally free, and it's only going to take 1 second of your time. So leave a like for your boy, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Also follow me there on my Instagram. It's JasonJKicks for more sneaker content. Go follow me, JasonJKicks on Instagram. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and until the next one, goodbye.